Hey guys, welcome back to Power Tool Week in Review. I'm Rob. We have breaking tool news. Festool announces a new push into the cordless power tool arena with a new impact and new prices lower than we've ever seen before. Festool is known for two things: absolute rockstar power tools and absolute budget-busting prices. Of course, Festool Junkies will tell you that they're worth every penny, but those high prices have kept Festool from reaching a larger buyer base. But all that changes today. Festool just announced the launch of a brand new impact, the TID 18 impact driver, and a new 4 amp hour battery that features the 21700 cells found in the industry's best batteries. The new driver boasts a staggering 1600 inch-pounds of torque and 3200 RPM. Those numbers are fighting words in this industry, and we don't doubt that Milwaukee, DeWalt, Bosch, and Makita are all suddenly paying attention. But it's not just because of the stats, it's the new price. $199 now gets you an honest-to-God Festool impact, which puts it right in the same ring as the biggest contenders this industry has. For $349, you can take it home in a sustainer and 2 of the new 4.0 amp-hour batteries. But Festool hasn't stopped there. They've launched a total of 7 new Festool 18-volt combo kits, all with lower prices that range from $549 to a staggering $1,800 Pro Pack, which is for those of you who feel like tossing out all of your old tools and going green completely. This is not a small bit of news, guys. Festool has never been known for being competitively priced, and until now, they've never really apologized for that. Quite frankly, we're big fans of their tools. I personally bought a TS55 of my own many years ago and never once regretted it. This is encouraging news for all of us. We're going to be watching where this goes very closely. Alright, so tell me, does this pricing entice you to switch to the dark side? Let us know in the comments below. To make sure you don't miss any Power Tool news, be sure to like and subscribe, and catch us this Friday for the Power Tool Week in Review.